At Osborne Wood Products, we love to connect with our customers face to face. This year, we were privileged to exhibit our company at the Association of Woodworking and Furnishing Suppliers Fair. Not only did we display some exciting new products, but we also got the chance to share with others about the mission and vision of Osborne Wood Products. At the show, we had the opportunity to exhibit our new collection of contemporary acrylic bun feet and legs. As our CEO, Leon Osborne, explains, we began developing this line in 2017 with our acrylic bun feet. These range from 3 inches to 7 inches tall to suit your needs. Our acrylic legs blend materials like wood and metal with modern acrylic for a unique fusion-style look. These stunning components can enhance any space with their sleek appearance and modern style. Another product we featured at the show was our stunning tiny table, which transforms from a small coffee table to an extended dining table. This little masterpiece is great for maximizing space, especially in tiny homes, apartments, or any living space. Table pedestals were a huge hit this year. These show-stopping table bases are a delightful alternative to the standard 4-legged table, and they can provide a creative solution to an unusual table, such as a live edge or river table. Pedestal table designs can range in styles and sizes, and also include more than one pedestal for additional support. Osborne's selection of strategically designed metal table pedestals makes the perfect support for any table design. We'd like to extend our thanks to the Association of Woodworking and Furnishing Suppliers for granting us the opportunity to participate in this show. View our full collection of products online at osbornewood.com.